Hello, this video will show you how to use Google Translate in several different ways. Step 1 is if you search for Google Translate, it will bring up this text translator, which you can use. However, if you go to the website right below, Google Translate, translate.google.ca, it will bring you to a slightly different page with a few more options. On the left, we can choose our input language, and then on the right, we can select our output language. As you can see, there's quite a few to choose from. You can already do the text. You can use a voice to speak into it, or we can upload images, documents like PDFs or full websites. I'm going to show you the document one. Click on Documents. You can either drag and drop, or we can upload from our computer. Click on the file, open, and now we click Translate. This will keep your document intact, and you can either download it right away or you can open it to preview it. So we're going to open it, and you want to make sure that everything came through, it looks accurate, and the translation is valid. If we're happy with that, we can download it or print it. The other option for translating is translating a website. I'm going to go to an actual website now, and the quick way to do this is clicking the three dots in the top right. Go near the bottom and you're looking for Translate, and when you click that, it will bring up this little option in your URL bar. It's detecting English, and if we click these three dots, we can choose the language that we want to translate into. Click Translate, and now all the text that it can recognize will be translated into the other language. Third option is the application. On a Chromebook, if you click on your app launcher in the bottom left, you can use the Translate app. If you don't see it, you can download it from the Play Store and install it. When we click on this one, it's going to bring up the application. There are some different options in here. The most useful is conversation. When we click on this, we can have a conversation in two different languages, and so we can select the output language here. And again, there's quite a few to choose from. And when we click on this, hello, I am speaking in English, we'll get both the English version and the translation, which will
Bonjour, je parle en anglais.
And then we can go and speak in French and have it translate back.